Hey guys, it's Sierra here with JB's Power Center. We recently did an install of some of Vibrant's ultra-quiet resonators on one of our staff members' vehicles. These resonators are great for high heat applications, forced induction, rotary motors, or drift cars. Here we have a 2004 naturally aspirated Ford Focus. Previous to this, he had already installed a 2.5-inch exhaust, a 200 cell cat, and also long tube headers. He had also installed one of these Vibrant resonators already. While this setup that he had was great for the track, he wanted to tone it down a little bit just for street use. So we added a second ultra-quiet resonator and it has a noticeable difference. If you're interested in getting some of these resonators installed, or if you had any questions, make sure to stop by one of our JB's locations or check it out on our website at jbspowercentre.com. Thanks for watching, and we hope you really enjoyed our video. If you want to view more of our JB's content, click over here, and if you haven't already, be sure to click over here to subscribe to our JB's channel to be notified of our future content.